figure out who I am. Not sure what I'm doing here. And the days don't work out the way I thought they would. And for you there was
So I have now got the GoPro out. I did this yesterday in my Helsinki video. You will have seen that by now. If you haven't, go watch it. The link is down below in the description or just on my channel. I tried doing this yesterday in my Helsinki video. However, when I got back, it seemed that the files had corrupted. And I don't know if I've managed to recover them or not. You will know by now, having seen that Helsinki video. However, I've now put it on to try again today, walking around Tallinn, see if I can get some GoPro clips of me taking photos, because that would be quite cool to include in this video. Yeah, what a view up behind me there. Let's go walking around. I've got the 50mm on my camera now. See what we can create with a lens which I haven't used yet today. So yeah, 50mm now. Still in the old town. Look at this old wall up behind me over there. Wonder if you could go up there, like walk along the rampart area of the castle up there. Quite cool to do. So I just tried Pula for the first time, as I probably explained in a voiceover, and now I have found the famous town square with the town hall over here. Probably the most pretty part of the old town, which I've been looking for a while, and it was literally just around the corner from that little cafe I was in a moment ago. Yeah, up there behind me there, that is the town hall. Pretty, as I expected it would be. Very similar to Latvia. This has given me massive deja vu from Riga, the trip to Riga. Very, very similar to the square right next to the hotel we stayed in there. If I can, I'll insert a clip here to show you what I mean. Yeah, I'm gonna get some really good photos here now. This is quite a cool little vlogging setup actually now. Yeah, very similar to the square I was in Riga in Latvia. Both Baltic states, obviously they'd be similar, but it's currently 4 o'clock. The ferry is at 7:30, although I said I want to get there like by 6:30. So I've got a couple hours or so to walk around here. I want to get to the Alexander Nevsky Cathedral, which I know isn't far, and then I think I'll be done going around the centre of Tallinn. I just want to find a shop to get a phone charger adapter, a wall socket one, because my phone's probably not going to last till I get back. Yeah, my portable charger has died.
This simple is 28 euro.
Yeah.
Try maybe black.
So up behind me right now you got the big Alexandra Nevsky, I can't remember the name, cathedral. I saw it like 2 minutes ago and I've forgotten it. Yeah, the big famous cathedral in Estonia. Can't remember whether I mentioned in the last clip my power banks died and my phones are on charge, so I need to go and find a plug so that I can plug it in on the ferry. Because I don't have a wall plug on me. It's really annoying. That's a nice street down there. But yeah, I need to find that before I get on the ferry. Problem sorted. I found a plug for the wall and sat down next to a plug with my new socket thingy, USB socket charger thingy, next to some toilets and charged my phone for an hour or so, a bit less than an hour. Now I'm going to the ferry, which you can see over there. Leaves at 7:30, it's approaching 6:30 right now, so I've got an hour to check in and board and stuff, and I'll be going back. So I'm going to end this vlog now, seeing as I'm leaving Estonia. Thank you very much for watching, I hope you enjoyed exploring Estonia with me and doing some street photography and travel photography. If you did, make sure to leave a like, subscribe for similar videos coming up soon, and turn on post notifications so you don't miss them when they're out. Thank you very much for watching, I'll see you in the next one. Hasta luego.